We'll be installing the TapeTech and Asgard Finishing Box Wheel Replacement Kit number 502CN. Again, for reference, there's a lot of boxes on the back here, both TapeTech and Asgard branded. I'll show you how to install this kit. So in this kit, you have several parts. Let's set these out here. You have the wheel itself with an O-ring already installed. You have a couple spare O-rings. You have the bolt itself, the axle bolt. There's two of those. You have two nyliners, one for each side, and I'll show you how to install these, and then two washers, brass washers. Okay, so that's inside this kit. You won't be needing these. These are just spares, so you keep those as spares if you need them in the future. So again, on the Asgard product and the TapeTech product, you have different axles. So the newer TapeTech, you have the wheels for bead, and on the Asgard, you just have basically just the wheels themselves, and they're not designed to run bead. So on the older style TapeTechs, you can't install this kit onto the newer style. You have to get an axle kit and everything. The whole thing has to be changed out. So this can't be just changed. You just can't put these wheels onto this because they wouldn't align. So, but the Asgard, this tool here in particular, has the old style axle. And what we can do is, I think it's a 5/8 inch nut driver. 3/8, I'm sorry, 3/8. Turn this, just loosen that up, unthread. We're going to take these parts off. Be careful of the parts so you don't lose them. And again, I take them off in order. So you have the washer. This one's pretty simple. You have the wheel. And inside the wheel, there's a nyliner, if I can pop it out. Always gets stuck in there. There's a little nyliner piece there. And then the wheel itself. So you have basically four pieces. So as you take them apart, remember them because that's how you're going to put it back together. With anything, it's a good practice. So again, we just take the nyliner, put it onto the bolt itself, install it onto the wheel, put the washer on here, and then tighten it up this side as well. Using the nut driver works best. Just tighten this up real easy. It's pretty easy repair to do. Tighten that nice and firm. Make sure it's spinning good. Repeat the same on the other side, and that's how you change out the wheel kit on this Asgard and TapeTech, older TapeTechs, but with Asgard, that's how you change the wheels out.